Did you know that 12 different publishers passed on the first Harry Potter book from J.K. Rowling? Not one, but a dozen companies passed on the chance to publish The Adventures of the Boy Wizard and, by extension, make more money than Scrooge McDuck. It seems equally amazing that Ms. Rowling never gave up on her magical creation as publisher after publisher rejected it. Turns out the people she trusted, friends and family, kept expressing to her how good the book was, even in the face of rejection, and it was this positive feedback that kept her stuffing the manuscript in envelopes and sending them off. Imagine what might have happened if her friends had been more critical. Imagine what might have happened if they had told her that no one would read a series of books about a school of magic, and how silly the whole story really was. Negativity like that, coupled with rejection after rejection from publishers, might have led Miss Rowling to put Harry Potter in the bottom drawer of her desk to be forgotten. What a difference positive expression can make. Being positive in how you express yourself to your classmates and your teachers is a way of creating positive energy in the classroom, virtual or otherwise. Positive energy is kinetic and electric, filling those who have doubts with the courage to overcome, those who have questions with a desire to find answers, and those who are trying to create with the sheer excitement of hands-on learning. Positive energy is a shot of pure adrenaline into our educational arms, and it all starts with how we express ourselves. Are we looking for solutions or problems? Do we appreciate that everyone around us is trying to learn? Positive expression doesn't have to be about being little human Care Bears at all times, sitting at our computers with rainbows and sunshine coming out of our eyes, but it does have to be about actively contributing to the positive energy around us. We should always temper our constructive criticism with an appreciation of the courage it takes to speak up and risk being wrong. And we should never, ever put anyone else down. There is value in every idea, even if we disagree with it. And when we do find ourselves disagreeing, we do it with a positive attitude. When you're talking face-to-face with other students in a brick-and-mortar classroom, you have a wide variety of tools you can use to encourage your classmates. Most of the time, you use them without even being aware of it. Perfectly valid criticism can seem so much more positive when delivered with a smile, or a laugh, or a twinkle in the eye. In a virtual school, however, your interaction with your teachers and with fellow students will mostly be in chat boxes or discussion forums, so you're going to have to learn a whole new set of tools to use to express your exact meaning. That also means that you need to be extra aware of what you're saying and how you're saying it, just in case there might be any confusion. Intentional put-downs have no place here, but sometimes a word or phrase can seem negative despite our intentions. This is why we should always choose our words carefully, keeping in mind one word as if it were flashing in front of us in neon lights. Positive. Recent science tells us a fun fact about positive expression. When positive emotions in your daily life outweigh negative emotions by a 3-to-1 ratio, all sorts of neat benefits emerge. Creativity expands. We begin to see new solutions to problems that have troubled us, and niftiest of all, our minds start to crave that positive energy and seeks ways to receive it. We literally become nicer, more pleasant to be around, and this in turn feeds that positive energy machine that is our brain and spurs on more creativity. It's really kind of cool to know that our biology is hardwired to multiply positive emotions. That's a trick I'm not even sure Harry Potter ever had to spell for. As a school, if our positive expressions outnumber our negative expressions by that same 3-to-1 ratio, imagine what will result. Class projects will become more creative. Understanding will come quicker. Collaboration will bear more fruit. And best of all, we'll all be happier people. You've got to love biology.